Want to tap into Canada's crypto market without spending hours on charts or learning complex trading strategies? FundFusion provides a fully automated investment system that handles trading for you. Using advanced AI technology, the platform simplifies every step, letting you get started quickly with minimal effort. Registration takes just minutes, and signing up through the link gives full access plus a limited-time welcome bonus. Built for Canadian investors, FundFusion helps users grow their digital asset portfolios with a structured, technology-driven approach. Whether you're new to crypto or want to move beyond manual trading, the platform delivers a smooth, efficient experience. Operating 24/7, FundFusion's AI monitors live markets, analyzes trends, adjusts strategies, and executes trades automatically. It adapts to changing market conditions while following the risk level and goals you set. No prior trading experience is needed. Just define your preferences, and the system handles execution and portfolio management. Registering through the official link activates your bonus instantly. A key feature of FundFusion is its adaptive AI engine. Instead of relying on fixed rules, it continuously refines strategies based on performance insights and market trends. It works like a dedicated analyst around the clock, without emotional bias or fatigue. Security and compliance are top priorities. FundFusion meets Canadian standards, including KYC and AML regulations, and uses advanced encryption to protect your data. All information is stored securely in certified cloud systems. Onboarding is simple, support is responsive, and the interface is beginner-friendly. Once your goals are set, the AI manages daily operations automatically. The welcome bonus is available only through the provided link. FundFusion is designed as a long-term tool, not a short-term trading shortcut. Whether your goal is passive income, portfolio diversification, or more systematic crypto investing, the platform adapts as your objectives evolve. Access and the exclusive bonus remain available while the invitation link is active. The AI powering FundFusion analyzes large volumes of data in real time. Beyond simple chart patterns, it considers historical prices, market sentiment, and emerging trends to make informed decisions. This data-driven approach ensures consistent and transparent results in both calm and volatile markets. Crypto investing doesn't have to be complicated. With FundFusion handling the technical work automatically, you can focus on your financial goals and long-term growth. Use the link in the description to claim your welcome bonus while it's still available.